So let us look at some questions about quantity. How many apples are there? How many eggs are there? And how many bananas are there? So, the first thing we can say is that all of these nouns are countable nouns. A countable noun is a noun that is a separate object that we can count, and it can only exist in the singular or the plural. Okay, so it can exist in both, singular or the plural. Okay, so if we want to ask a question about quantity using countable nouns, then we use the expression how many. Okay, and the noun must go in the plural form, and also the verb goes in the plural form. So here we have the noun in the plural with an S, apples, and the verb. This is the verb to be, and it is in the third person plural. Okay? And it is the same here. We have the noun in the plural. We use the expression how many, and the verb is in the plural form. How many eggs are there? And the same here. How many bananas are there? So the rule is when we use many, we use many in questions about quantity, and it is with countable nouns in the plural. Alright, so we use the expression how many with countable nouns in the plural with the verb in the plural as well. And these are all questions. Let's look at some more questions about quantity. How much milk is there? How much cheese is there? And how much sugar is there? Now this time, all of these nouns are uncountable nouns. So we cannot count uncountable nouns. They are not separate objects, and they are always in the singular. You can notice they are always in the singular. Milk, cheese, sugar. And so when we are using questions about quantity with uncountable nouns, then this time we use the expression how much. Alright, we do not say how many, we say how much. And the noun, because it is an uncountable noun, the noun is always in the singular, and the verb is always in the singular. So this is the verb to be, and this is the third person singular of the verb to be. How much milk is there? And it is a question. And it is the same here. How much cheese is there? Cheese is singular, and the verb is singular. And here is the same. How much sugar is there? We say how much. Sugar is in the singular, and the verb is in the singular. So the rule here is we use much in questions about quantity with uncountable nouns. Alright? Uncountable nouns.